So let's say you're a new YouTube creator, very excited, uploading your videos onto YouTube and having them play out to the world. But then you notice other videos from other creators that they're overlaying a picture or a series of pictures, and it's kind of adding a little bit more spice to the video and giving a little bit more of an entertainment value instead of just a monologue of somebody talking. So in this video, guys, I'm going to show you the very simple way when using the iPhone iMovie app, when editing your videos and uploading them onto YouTube, how you can overlay your videos with either a picture or a series of pictures of whatever it is that kind of relates to the topic of your video, just to make it more entertaining, add a little bit value to the video. It's a very simple way, and I'm going to show you guys in this video. So with that, thank you so much for watching this video. If you found the video of any value, please like, please subscribe, and please share it and pass it along. So if everyone, thanks so much for watching the video, and here we go. Alright, so you're going to go to the iMovie app, and then let's say that you uploaded your video, and this is the video that you want to start adding some pictures now. So let's just say that at this point, let's add a picture. So what you're going to do is you're going to hit these plus sign right here, and then you're going to click on photos. And then let's say I'm going to add in this photo right here. So when you click on the photo, it's going to give you an option, two options, either this plus sign again, or this three buttons. What you're going to do is you're going to hit on the three buttons, and out of the options, you're going to hit on the cutaway option. And what it's going to do now is that it added that photo within the video. So let's play it. The day that you start owning responsibility. Okay, so as you see that it added the photo, but the audio from the video is still going on. And what you can do is you can click on the photo, and let's say that you don't want it to last that long. You actually want it to be a little bit shorter. So you just kind of play around with it to the setting that you want. Your responsibility. So right there, as you see that it was a lot shorter, or if you want to make it a little bit longer, however it is that you want to do, you can play around with it. And then let's say that you don't want it to go back to the video, you want to add in another picture. So what you do is, again, you click on the plus sign, and let's say we're going to add another picture, hit cutaway, and as you see, it added a picture. Focus, there you go. It added in the next picture that you want. So what you can do is you can add in as many pictures as you want, either next to each other, or let's say further down the video that at this point you want to add in another photo. And there you go. And again, you can adjust the length of how long the photo is going to be viewing as the audio goes on. So you can make it shorter or longer, however long or however many that you want to put. This is a simple way of, throughout your video, adding in a picture or a series of pictures to kind of give your video a little bit more value and, spice it up a little bit rather than just a monologue of you or somebody else talking.